and you may return to Nkandla. I believe the media believes we've got a meeting with the Buffalo today.
Ubantu bengibuza ngoRamaphosa konje.
Network, News 24.
Awubuze kwakhona uthi kwenze njani?
News 24, you may come.
Oh, awusabuzi.
No, I'm here. I mean,
Uphi? Njobe ngichophe ngamehla amhlophe nje amabele amakhulu la. Ngibona kanjani? Oh, ububuzani baba?
we asked the presidency about a possible meeting between you and President Ramaphosa.
Who said there must be a meeting with Ramaphosa?
No.
Who told you?
We asked the presidency, so they said there
Eh?
is we asked the presidency. So we asked the question to them, and they said there is a possibility that there might be a meeting.
We are just asking whether there's a possibility.
Whether it's a possibility, they were speaking in terms of certainty that this meeting.
But why do you choose to ask me and Ramaphosa to meet? You must be thinking very hard. Eh? No, I'm joking, my brother. There is nothing between me and Ramaphosa. We come from very far. We're still in the same country. He's leading the country. He's in trouble, Nkosiam. It's not my problem. So please don't just funa ngikhulume Ramaphosa. Yini enkulumo Ramaphosa? Ramaphosa ngimazi semfana mina. I'm old, very old. I don't know why you don't ask about issues, serious issues. Buza ngoRamaphosa. Akhulume noZuma. Bese niyabhala kuzimalanga. No. Ngifuna ukukutshela nje ukuthi uma ufuna ukuyikhuluma noMaphosa oya lapha, ufuna mina uzela kimi. Ngasihlanganisi sino Ramaphosa. Anginankinga noRamaphosa. And with Ramaphosa siyahlangana sihleke bese siswazini very recently. It was very nice. Wajabula kakhulu. Nami ngathi kuhle mfana wami.